Oh,
Yeah.
where is it?
Okay, so this is the scrotal sac reflected back. It's a scrotum, right?
Okay.
And we cut it open and reflected it back, and it's the scrotal sac to expose the testes. This is the penis, and actually the penis wouldn't be inside of it, but you know the nut sac's like two little things. Okay, so
Your tail and the shirt.
what? Oh, Jesus. Okay, I have to throw
Sorry.
this shirt away.
You naughty.
Another shirt I throw away.
Not good.
Okay, and that's the spermatic cord coming up, 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 and then it joins up with the vas deferens, and that's this guy that's sort of external right here. And there's two of them, but this one's all hacked up. But see, there's these two ducts. This one's internal, and this one is external.
What?
This is the vas deferens.
No,
This
no,
one
this
is the
one is
ureter.
ureter.
I know, honey. This one is the vas deferens right here. This one out there, and this is the ureter right there, and that's internal. Okay, so the ureter joins up with the urethra inside here. The vas deferens goes down through. See,
Okay.
down into the inguinal canal.
Okay.
See, down there in the inguinal canal, and then it joins up with the urethra, which is now right here,
Okay.
right before the prostate gland, which is this lump right here, that little
You guys can
thing
feel it.
right there.
See, I
Yeah,
told
stick
you
your finger in.
What? Where is it?
The prostate
See right
gland,
here, the
you feel it.
prostate
You totally
gland.
feel it.
I don't
Yeah.
have any gloves.
Yeah, that was.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come this way.
Okay, and then they continue on down, and then there's a bulbourethral gland somewhere up here, which we can't see, but
Maybe we cut it.
it's going to be up here above the penis and the scrotum, and then the stuff comes out through the penis. And that's it.
In the scrotum.
Now you guys walk us through the penis.
Okay, go.